Question 19 asks us to solve a quadratic. Now, this is very unlikely to solve by inspection, so I'm going to go straight to the quadratic formula. Substituting in, we get, therefore, x is equal to minus b is minus 5, plus or minus the square root of 25, 4 times a times c, 4 times a times c. A times c is 36, times 4 is 144, but it will be negative 144 with the negative 6 that c has, but we're going to make that positive by the negative sign here. So this is plus 144 divided by 12. At this point, I will pop that into a calculator and get the two results, that x must be equal to negative 3 over 2, or x is equal to 2 over 3. And those are your two answers.